Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So I got a bunch of stuff from Vici Wellness that they sent me, and I'm super excited to open it up, go through it, and I picked it out, of course. I got a few gift sets and some soap, but I'm excited because I didn't know that they had some of the products that they did. Oh, before we do, please like, subscribe, and share. So I forgot about that. I was just so excited to open up the box. And like, you're gonna hear my family in the background. If you're new to this channel, my family is very loud. If you're not new, then you already know. Oh my god, I can't open this. They have this pen. Usually they have a scissor, but my daughter's into cutting paper now, so all my scissors disappear. Alright. Ooh, this looks cute. Alright, so first two things are glycerin lava flow loofah bar natural exfoliant. Guys, it smells so good. So it has like the loofah here, and then like you just need this bar, and I guess you can like wash yourself with the soap. I guess you don't need to like get a loofah, wash it on the loofah and whatever. So that is super beneficial because that is great. I'm sorry, this reminds me of what was that soap that I used to get in FabFitFun all the time? It was like, it came in like in a loofah in itself, and it's like the soap bar inside. But yeah, all right, so this is the first box. So pretty, the little symbol. Like, I like it that it's like simple, nothing crazy flashy, really simple. I'm basic, and simple packaging. Perfect for a gift. Oh, it smells so good, guys. This is what it is. So this is a candle. It's made with soy wax. It is a lemon 4-ounce, burns for 40 hours. That's really good. This is such a great gift, especially for Christmas. Oh, that's good, guys. That smells so good, so good. I'm not even exaggerating. All right, the next thing is a bath bomb. I love bath bombs. This one smells really good. It's lemongrass. They're handcrafted with essential oils. Smells good. All right, so there's two soaps in here. One is a glycerin soap, lemongrass with the loofah bar. So see, it has the loofah in it. Sorry, you can't see, but it has the loofah in it. Like the soap's on here. You see the loofah to exfoliate, so you just like use it as you go. It's super beneficial if you're a person who likes going on trips, vacation, you travel a lot, or you like camping. Like, I love to go camping. This is really great to have with you. It's all in one bar. And then this is just a lemongrass soap. It looks so cute. I love like handcrafted looking soap because it's so cute. This is the ingredients if you guys want to pause and read that. Oh, I didn't give you the ingredients for the other stuff. My bad. The glycerin doesn't... It's the same thing. They're both the same soap, but it's just a short, like a square version of this one. And then the ingredients for this one, if you want to pause and read. And then the other one I just said is a soy candle. There's like... I don't know what that says. Basically what I said. All right, so this, I'm pretty sure this one is the, I want to call it the wake up one, because it's like lemongrass, like to like alert you, like, oh, it's to make you feel happy one. I'm pretty sure that's what that one is. I'm not sure. You know, I ordered these because they gave me the option, and I just don't know why I don't know what it is. Okay, so this one opens up this way. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, I'm having like the hardest. Or no. Oh, it opens up this way. Oh, okay. They put the sticker on the bottom. So opening is the same. And this, again, really pretty. Love it. Love it. Alright, so this one is lavender. Okay, so this is the calm, relaxed one, I think. Ooh. This smells good. Oops. I pressed it because it was a bubble, and now like I messed up the candle. You see that? But oh, that smells so good, guys. All right, then a bath bomb, and this one is lavender. Smells amazing. You want to pause and read. I'm pretty sure the ingredients are the same. All right, lavender and oatmeal loofah bar exfoliant. That smells good. Okay, look, so you can see the loofah part, and then this one is, since it's oatmeal, it has like little oatmeal pieces. I absolutely love that. I was gonna gift this, but I may keep it because my daughter has like eczema and stuff. Oh, I love this. Look at this. This is just so cute. And right here, like, I'm gonna pause and read for the ingredients and stuff. Guys, hold on. Look at this bar of soap. Hold on. I love these handcrafted ones. And also, I have some other stuff in Vici. They're like patches. Hold on, let me see if I find. All right, guys. So I don't know why I'm like so sorry. I don't know why I'm so surprised when this happens to me, because it happens to me so often that I shouldn't be surprised. But every time I want to talk about my Vici products, I can never find them, never. But then I find them when I don't need to talk, like when I actually need them. So I have this one, is a monthly mayhem. It's for when you get your period, and like put in your temple, you can put on your stomach. I also have the CBD one because I love CBD. If you don't know, I'm always posting about CBD stuff on my Instagram. And I also have a migraine one. They're patches. They're migraine patches, and literally whenever I get like a really bad headache or whatever, I just put on a patch. It makes my headache go away. Vici's a holistic brand, natural ingredients, products. So I'm just like so annoyed because I wanted to like show like all the variety of stuff they got, which is why I picked the gift bag. The gift boxes, because I didn't even know that they even had soaps and candles and like bath bombs. I thought they just had like the oils and the patches. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I can show off all the stuff. But no, I even have a hangover patches. And of course, when I want to film, I can't find any of it. It always happens to me. But definitely check out Vici Wellness. Their products are amazing, or how does it go? Amazing. I like them a lot. They have stuff for everything, whether it's for immune boost, headaches, migraines, for stress relief. They got CBD. They got stuff to relax. They have stuff to give you energy. Not like to eat, like actual like stuff you put on your body to like just boost you up. Highly recommend. Definitely check them out. I've been using this for a while. The patches that I'm always using, don't know where they are, but I bet you when I'm gonna need them, they're gonna show up, because that's just how life is. That's just how it works, apparently. But okay, guys, I found it. I was like, there's no way I can't find this. It is their migraine relief support time release technology. This is some of the directions on it, and then the ingredients if you want to pause and read. It had more patches, but I obviously have been using them. I think I have 2 more full ones left. But usually you just take it, peel it off. I always peel it off wrong. No, why is it doing this to me when I'm recording on video? I do have a headache. That's why I'm like, I don't feel well. If you didn't notice, my voice is a little scratchy. Here we go. So they're super easy, and then you just like, you can put it on your shoulder or whatever. And honestly, it has to work. I don't think it's a mental thing. Pretty sure it has like whatever essential oils and stuff, because essential oils are really good for you, your body, for your wellness. I like to do a lot of holistic natural products, so my body like loves it. Because taking pills all the time is not really great for you, but it really helps like soothe you, calm you, and the pain. The migraine one is really good. So I'm super glad I found it. I could show you guys, because it was driving me crazy that I couldn't find it. I was like, no way. Of course I can't find the hangover one or a CBD roller, but at least I showed you that one, and they have so many other ones. I'll put the link down below for their website. Not that I get commission or this is not sponsored or anything, but I really do like this brand, so I figured I'd talk to you guys about it, show you some of the products that they sent me, well, that I chose, that they gave me for free, and these that I've had from them. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and let me know down in the comments what's your favorite Vici products, if you ever tried Vici, or if you've seen anything here in this video that you actually like. They're a holistic brand, like I've said, and they are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, afternoon, evening, whichever time you're watching, and please, 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 please stay safe out there right now.